bornpretty's nail foil transfer adhesive glue, and I love this glue because it stays white, and then when it's cured it turns to the translucent. I'm gonna use a cheap base coat. I've already filed it down, putting a base coat on it. And this one is, I think, a wipe off coat. I can't remember. Let's say 30 seconds. And then we'll put this on. Let's pick out one of the ones. Which one are we gonna do? I wanted to do flowers. Most of these are butterflies. Why did I not grab flower ones? Are my flower ones not in here? No, my flower ones are not in here. Huh, I must have put them in a different one. Alright, well, we'll do this one, I guess. It has flowers on it. Would be butterflies. And I've already used part of it, it seems. Okay, so, yeah, that is a wipe off. I want it to wipe off the tackiness because we want the transfer glue to work, not the base coat itself. There we go, perfect. Okay, so wave it around a little bit, make sure it's completely dry. And then I'm gonna shake this around. This just looks like normal glue, doesn't it? Like, it just looks like normal white glue. And I wonder, I wonder if it is. I really wonder. Doesn't really, it has a smell to it, but not a strong smell, but it doesn't really smell like white glue. You know what, you know, the school glue, it smells like. Okay, so now see that? It's like a transparent, and this will dry clear. See? Can you see? It's transparent. You can see all the white streaks and everything, right? And it's gonna dry. And I believe you do not have to put this in because this is not, I believe you don't have to put this in the lamp. I think it'll just dry on its own. So we'll come back when it's dry. So you can see that it's almost completely dry. You can still see a couple of lines. You can still see a couple of lines, right? So it's almost completely dry. So see, you can still faintly see a couple lines. However, it is clear. And that's no light, just let it sit there. And it only took about a minute. So we're gonna put these right here, just like that. And, oh, I don't want wrinkles. Oh, don't wrinkle. Well, this one isn't really that big of a deal if it does wrinkle. Got half a butterfly on there. And okay, let me get my little smudger, my little cuticle pusher thing. It's plastic, not plastic. What is that? It's a rubber. It's a little bit of a hard rubber. Soft, but a little firm. Well, it's firm, but it's rubber. It's a firm rubber. This feels like it's sticking pretty good, except for over the butterfly on that side. Oh, nope, he did. It's just my nail lifting, that's all, off the finger. Alright, let's do this side. Okay. Ooh. And there you go. And it's clear. Can you see that? coat. No wipe. Oh, I got a drop of that somewhere or something. This stuff, it's not a no name. Why do I keep saying no name? It is Weltio. Weltio? Weltio. Weltio. Or, I don't know. Weltio. I don't know. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna put this back into my stash because it still has butterflies and everything on it. Get in there and off my finger. It's so staticky. Yes, so that is Born Pretty's glue, nail foil transfer adhesive glue. And there you go. That's what the clear looks like. See, it comes completely clear. You don't see those little lines in there anymore or anything. It's just completely clear. So you don't need a light for this one. You don't need a light for it at all. You just put it on and let it dry until it's clear. And then you put your transfer on and then you put your top coat on. It's Born Pretty, one of the best nail foil glues I've come across without the lamp and everything. And look at that, like that whole flower, there's a little part right there. That's probably for me. The butterflies there, the little flowers, the stems are there. Yeah, you can ask for